I'm going to slam that presentation this time. But wait, who am I trying to impress? My boss? This dress is going to make me look smoking hot. But wait, who am I trying to impress? My partner? I have to wear this watch to the party. Who am I trying to impress now? My friends? I have to show this certificate to my dad and my mom. Who am I still trying to impress? My parents? Waiting for someone to say, I'm proud of you. And that is the whole problem with this circus. The more and more people we try to impress, the more opinions we have to listen to. So much so that at the end, we forget what we really want. And the hero of our story today discovered the same problem through the most ridiculous way, with a donkey. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Stuti, that is YOLO, and you're watching
The Stuti Show. Let tales say more than they seem.
one Monik Mullah Nasruddin, who's also the hero of our story. He, his son, and their donkey. They were going to the market. They were walking down the road with the donkey besides them. Nothing unusual until they met a group of people. One of the men from the group looked at them, laughed, and said, "What kind of foolish people are these? They have a perfectly good donkey, but still they are walking." Nasruddin stopped. This man did have a point. So he looked at his son and said, "Son, you ride." And they continued. A few minutes later, another group of people. This time one of the men said, "What kind of a young boy is that? He's sitting comfortably on the donkey while his poor old father has to walk." The son immediately felt guilty. He got off the donkey, looked at his father and said, "Father, you ride." And they continued. A little further down the road, they met another group of people. One of the men this time looked at them and said, "What kind of a father are you? You are sitting on the donkey while your poor young son has to walk?" Nasruddin got off the donkey. He sighed. He didn't know what to do. And then an idea. He said, "You know what? Both of us will ride the donkey." And they continued. Everything seemed perfect till they met the next group of people. And this time, one of the men looked at them and immediately shouted, "What kind of people are you? Two people sitting on one donkey? How cruel can that be?" Nasruddin and the son immediately got off. They couldn't understand what was happening. They had tried everything. Both of them ride, neither of them rides. Father rides, son rides, but nothing seemed to work. Finally, Nasruddin had a brilliant idea. He looked at the donkey, he picked it up, put it around his shoulders, and then continued walking. Immediately, one of the men from the group burst out laughing and said, "What foolish man is that? He's carrying a donkey on his shoulder." Nasruddin looked at his son, shrugged his shoulders, this time said nothing, and just continued. The same circus I was talking about in the beginning of the video. If you try to please everyone, you will eventually end up carrying the donkey yourself, no matter what you say. But we cannot completely ignore what other people think. Perhaps not, because other people's opinions can be valuable, but don't let their opinions become the steering wheel of your life. So listen, learn, care, but decide on your own. Nasruddin was not foolish because he was listening to others. He became foolish because he started changing himself every time because of other people's opinions. Exactly. Because there will always be that one person who thinks that you are riding the donkey incorrectly. So, listen to the world, but do not hand it your reins. Thank you so much for spending these few minutes with me. I hope you enjoyed the story. And if you like listening to such stories, do remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Until the time we meet next again. Bye.